Ever felt like you were meant for something extraordinary, but somehow you can't even get out of bed? You dream of greatness, success, freedom, mastery, yet when it's time to begin, your energy disappears. You whisper, tomorrow, but tomorrow never arrives. You see, you're not lazy. You're ambitious, but exhausted by the weight of your own expectations. Your mind sees a mountain. Your body feels the gravity of starting, and between the two lies paralysis. Laziness is not a disease of effort. It is the defense mechanism of an overloaded mind. When you set goals so grand they eclipse the horizon, your brain panics. It whispers, later, not now. But you're not resisting the goal. You're resisting the pain of beginning. Your ambition is real. Your energy is real. They are simply trapped behind fear and scale. Chapter 1, Shrink the Mountain. When a goal looks massive, the mind defaults to protection. It says, too hard, too long, too much. So reduce the scope until the brain says, maybe I can do that. Want to write a book? Forget the book. Just write one line, one sentence. Want to change your body? Don't dream of a transformation. Just walk for 5 minutes. Smallness is your greatest weapon. Because momentum isn't born from intensity, it's born from initiation. A single spark can burn a forest. But first, it must be lit. Chapter 2, The Science of Ease. Discipline isn't about force, it's about design. Most people rely on willpower, a fuel that burns fast and fades faster. Systems last. Make action frictionless. Place your running shoes where you'll see them. Leave your journal open. Prepare your workspace before sleep. You're training your environment to work for you, not against you. When your surroundings whisper, start. You don't need to shout with motivation. This is what I call strategic ease, the art of making the right choice, the easy one. Chapter 3, The 2-Minute Law. Every grand project starts with friction, the resistance before ignition. To beat it, use the 2-minute law. Tell yourself, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. Read 1 page, write 1 line, clean 1 corner. Because once you start, your brain changes state. Motion creates momentum. Think of it like pushing a heavy train. The first shove is brutal, but once it moves, inertia takes over. Starting small doesn't make you weak, it makes you intelligent. Momentum is the mathematics of progress. Chapter 4, Reward the Start. Even the most disciplined minds need dopamine. So reward yourself, not for finishing, but for starting. Open your laptop? Good. Went for that walk? Perfect. Celebrate that small victory. Let your brain learn that effort feels good. When effort feels good, you begin to crave progress. I call this fuel for the soul. Chapter 5, Ambition's Double Edge. Ambition can inspire you or destroy you. Dream too high without structure, and you drown in potential. You stare at the future so long, you forget to move in the present. But action doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to exist. The people you admire weren't born disciplined. They acted through fear, through confusion, through imperfection. Step by step, their actions became proof that discipline beats desire. Chapter 6, The Fire Metaphor. Your ambition is a spark, fragile, waiting for oxygen. Each small action is kindling. 1 match, 1 breath, 1 step. Skip a day, it dims. Act again, it brightens. Feed it daily, and soon you won't chase fire, you'll become it. Dreamers love the spark. Creators tend the flame. Final lesson, the professor's truth. If you're ambitious but lazy, remember this sequence. Shrink the mountain, design for ease. Follow the 2-minute law, reward the start. Soon, effort will feel natural. Discipline will no longer be a battle. It will feel like breathing. You don't need to transform overnight. You just need to begin today with 1 deliberate step. Success isn't a miracle. It's a pattern, and patterns are built 1 small repetition at a time. So to the ambitious dreamer trapped in comfort, wake up, not tomorrow, now. The world doesn't need your potential, it needs your motion. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll rise.